Okay, now this is the camera that you have just received. You can see the power adapter for backup, and the use menu, and the main cameras. Because it is the built-in POE camera, means power over Ethernet. So you don't need this power adapters. But what you need is this POE switch and the cables. As you can see, I just connect the POE switch in here to my router and use the cable connect between the POE switch and my camera. See, this cable connect to the router, and this cable connect between the POE switch and the built-in POE camera. Now at the first time I want to test the camera, see if it is okay. So I just unplug the cable and connect again. Oh, sorry.